June 13th, 1986. Young Mike Tyson enters the Madison Square Garden against the contender named Reggie Gross. With more than a year as a professional fighter at that point, fighting 21 fights, knocking out 19 of the 21 fighters, there were still doubts. Washington Post writes an article a couple of days before the fight titled, "Tyson is Still a Novice and it Shows," pointing out his last two fights against James Tillis and Mitch Green that went the distance. Even though most of the fights wouldn't go that long, the Kid Dynamite was showing he was something special in every fight, and that fight was no exception. The fight ended in the first round. Tyson was coming forward and figuring out his opponent while Reggie was holding his guard up, blocking Tyson's punches. Then out of nowhere, Reggie opened up with a flurry of punches. Some of them were landed. Iron Mike stood on his ground and showed the most remarkable head movement to avoid being hit, followed by a venomous left hook that dropped Gross to the floor. That was really amazing to watch.
Round knockout. Watch the first knockdown here. You see Gross landing some punches there. And see how wild he is? He's wide open now to the left. And watch it. He thinks moving the body, moving the trunk around. One on with the uppercut. And now he's wide open for left hook. There he is, right there. The outstretched right arm. The left hook nailed him. And that fight was virtually over there. See Tyson moving the trunk, moving the body. No blows, really landed very heavy. But look great, that uppercut did land. And he landed one more right hand, but not too heavy. Now look for the opportunity. Tyson is mad now, and he shows it by dropping Reggie Gross with a vicious left hook to the head. After that, Gross was able to get up a different angle for you. Again, watch the uppercut will land. The right hand will land. There's the uppercut. Now the right hand will land. Not too heavy. Now watch the left hook. Bang! Right there. He lands it right on the button.
What is your favorite Mike Tyson moment? Let us know by writing in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel.